all of you. My name is Sarita and I will teach you general science. Okay, before that sir was teaching and now I will teach you general science. Okay, understood all of you? So according to the syllabus I will start with chapter. According to the syllabus I will start chapter 11, light and sound. According to the syllabus I will start chapter 16, light and sound. All of you open your book, page number 61. Open your book, page number 61. So question is arises here, what is light? What is light? So questions are given here, pre-reading questions. Pre-reading questions. First question is the first question given. Are you able to see in a dark room? Are you able to see in the dark room? Without light, are you able to see in the dark room? No. Without light, you can't see. Without light, you can't see. If light is not there, then you are not able to see in the dark room. So light is necessary. Light is necessary. Okay? So first question, are you able to see in a dark room? No. Without light we can't see. And do you know some animals that can see in the dark? Do you know about some animals, those who can able to see in the dark? Those who can see in the dark. Any animal's name you know? Owl. Okay? Understood now? Okay. And can you name something that give you light? Some are the natural source of light, just like sun. We are getting light from the sun. So sun is the natural source and some are the man-made source. And objects that gives us light of their own, they are called the luminous objects. They are called the luminous objects. And those who do not give light, they are called the non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects. So in questions, first one, are you able to see in a dark room? No. Without light, we can't see. Without light, we can't see. And do you know some animals that can see in the dark? Owl. Okay? And third questions, can you name some things that give you light? Of course, which? Sun. Okay? Sun. Then CFL. Okay? Bulb. Candle. Many objects are there which gives us light. So objects, those who gives us light are called the luminous objects. Understood no? They are called the luminous objects. Understood? Understood? Understood all of you? So I will start light. I will start light. We can't see in the dark. Without light, we can't see in the dark. So light is necessary. Light enables us to see things. Light enables us to see things. If you will enter in the dark room, then you can't see anything. but when you have to switch on the light, switch on the bulb, then you can see in the dark room. So light enables us to see things around us, and it does not have weight or take up space. It does not have weight, and it does not have take up space, and it is a form of energy. Light is the form of energy. Light is the form of energy. Okay, understood till here? Light is necessary. Without light we can't see anything, and it does not have weight or it does not take any space, and it is a form of energy. It is a form of energy. And you know that sun is the natural source of light. Sun is the natural source of light, and some are man-made sources of light. Understood? No? Sun is the natural, and some natural source of light is the sun, and man-made sources candle, bulb, fluorescent tube, lamp. Okay, these are the man-made sources of light. Understood? No? So sunlight makes the day bright. If sunlight is not there, then our day is also like night. So sunlight makes our day bright, and we make use of sunlight to see things, and we make use of sunlight to see the things. Without sunlight we can't see the things. Candles, light, bulbs are some man-made sources of light. You know that man-made sources of light, which is made by the man. So that is called the man-made sources of light. Understood? No? And thus we get light from natural sources and man-made sources. So we get light from the man-made sources also and from the natural sources also. Natural source are sun. Natural source of light is the sun, and man-made sources, I told you different objects are there. Candles. Understood? No? Candle, fluorescent tube, CFL, etc. And so what is the luminous objects? Question is arises here. What is the luminous objects? Objects that gives us light of their own are called the luminous objects. Objects that gives us light of their own are called the luminous objects. Are called the luminous objects. Luminous objects are understood? No? Luminous objects. Luminous objects. Luminous objects. What are the luminous objects? Objects that gives us light of their own. Luminous. Luminous objects. Objects that gives us light. Objects that gives us light of their own. Light of their own. Objects that gives us light of their own are called the luminous bulb. These are the luminous objects. Understood? Luminous objects. Objects that gives us light of their own are called the luminous objects. Example of the luminous objects: sun, candle, bulb. Sun, candle and bulb. What are the non-luminous objects? What is the non-luminous object? Non-luminous objects. Objects that do not give out light. Objects that do not give out light are called the non-luminous objects. Objects that do not give out light are called the non-luminous objects. Example: table, stone, etc. They gives us light. Table, stone, etc. gives us light? No. They do not gives us light. They do not gives us light. So they are